Hello guys, and welcome back to Halo. Today I'm showing you how to duplicate a Shopify store step-by-step guide. Whether you're moving from one Shopify store to another or you're just trying to keep a backup of your current store. Duplicating a Shopify store can seem daunting. This is because you might see cloning a store as an extremely technical process that requires specialized knowledge and a lot of time. No, don't think of that. But it doesn't have to be this complicated or time-consuming. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to quickly and easily duplicate a Shopify store in just a few minutes. Can you duplicate a Shopify store? Before we dive into the details of how to clone a Shopify store, let's first answer the question. The short answer is yes. With a little bit of know-how, duplicating a Shopify store is quite simple and straightforward. Why would you duplicate a Shopify store? Developing a test store. When creating a test store, start from scratch can be daunting. You need to upload files to Shopify, use Shopify liquid language to customize the store, and more. All of these processes can be quite time-consuming. Creating a duplicate store is a much faster way to create a test store. You can quickly clone your live store, make unnecessary changes, and then test them out before making any permanent changes to your live store. A test store allows you to test different Shopify themes so you can find the perfect one for your store without affecting your live store. You can even submit a task, and we can help you customize your current theme to match your brand. Creating a store for different countries. If you want to target customers in multiple countries, then you might need to set up a store for each country. This can be a lot of work because you need to create new products, upload different products, image again, and more. With a duplicate store, you can quickly clone your live store and then make the necessary changes for each country. This will save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. Building a wholesale store. The framework that Shopify uses is perfect for creating a wholesale store. A wholesale store is a store that sells products in bulk at a discounted price. Instead of catering to retail customers, a wholesale store is geared towards businesses that want to buy products in bulk. This can be a great way to increase your sales and reach new customer base. Developing a store from scratch can be a lot of work, but with a duplicate you can build a wholesale stores in minutes. Things you can duplicate on Shopify. Theme files. Theme files are the files that control the look and feel of your store. They include the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files that make up your store. These files are responsible for the overall design to your store. Products. Products are items that you can sell in your store. This includes physical, digital, and services. They also include product variants such as size, color, and prices. Shopify allows you to duplicate products, which can be a great way to save time when adding new products to your store. Collections. Collections are groups of products that you can sell in your store. They can be used to organize your products in a way that makes sense of your customers. For example, you could create a collection of women's clothing, men's clothing, and children's clothing. Customers. You can duplicate customer information including their personal information, such as their name, address, and email address. You can also clone their purchase history and any loyalty points that they have earned. Duplicating customers can be a great way to save time when adding new customers to your store. It's important to note that you cannot duplicate sensitive information such as credit card numbers and passwords. Images. When you duplicate a store, you can also duplicate the images that are used in your store. This includes product images, collection images, and blog post images. Also, you can clone apps. All apps that you have installed in your store will also be duplicated. This includes Shopify apps and third-party apps. Now, let's talk about the things you cannot duplicate on Shopify. When you duplicate your store, the following things will not be duplicated. Visitors. These are people who have visited your store. Orders. While you can clone your customer data, you cannot clone orders. This is because each order is unique and can only be placed once. Gift cards. These are cards that can be redeemed for products or services in your store. Discount codes. Every Shopify store has a unique discount code. This code cannot be duplicated. Customer reports, such as sale reports and customer reports, cannot be duplicated. And now, without further ado, let's go to how to duplicate your Shopify store. Log into both your new and primary Shopify stores as an admin. Remember, you cannot duplicate a store through Shopify API. Make the subscription plans on both stores are the same. Ensure you double-click the subscription plans for both stores to make sure they are the same. If the plans are different, you might not be able to duplicate. You need to select a theme for your new store that is similar to the one you're using on your primary store. This will help things assure that the overall look and feel of your new store is consistent with your primary store. Go to Online Store, Themes in your Shopify app, and click Actions drop-down menu next to the theme you want to use and click Edit Code. In the Assets directory, find the file theme, Liquid, and click it. Finally, copy the entire contents of this file and paste it to a new file in the Assets directory of your store, New Store. Now that you have a consistent theme across both stores, you can start duplicating your data. Export a CSV file containing products and customers. You can do this to your admin panel, products, or customers for products. Make sure you include the variants, images, and collection associated with each product. You can also export through the Import Store app. This will import all informations in one CSV file. Go to your new store's admin panel and click Settings. In the Store Settings section, click Import Data. On the Import Data page, select the CSV file that you exported from your old store and click Continue. This will start importing your products, customers, orders, and other data into your new store. Once the import is complete, you will have now successfully duplicated your Shopify store. Just note, if you get an error message saying this file is too big, try importing your products in smaller batches. You can do this by splitting your CSV file into multiple files. And remember to manually reconfigure settings, such as taxes, shipping, and checkout. These cannot be imported using a CSV file. Duplicating in Shopify should not take more than a few hours, depending on the size of your store. By following the steps in this video, you can quickly and easily create an exact replica of your store. This is a great way to test new themes or strategies without affecting your live store. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.